As of March 2025, several new UK passport and travel regulations have been implemented or are forthcoming, affecting both British travelers and international visitors. 1. Electronic Travel Authorization (ETA) for international visitors. Starting January 8, 2025, the UK requires visitors from 48 countries, including the US and Canada, to obtain an electronic travel authorization (ETA) before entry. This digital registration system, similar to the US ETA, is mandatory for short visits under 6 months for purposes such as tourism, business, short-term study, and certain paid engagements. EU citizens will need an ETA beginning April 2, 2025. The application process involves a non-refundable fee of £10, uploading passport and face photos, and completing an online form that takes around 20 minutes. Decisions are typically provided within 3 working days, and the ETA linked to the passport is valid for 2 years or until the passport expires. 2. Digital British passports. By 2027, British passports will be available on smartphones as part of the government's new digital wallet system, which will also include e-driving licenses and veterans cards. Initially intended for domestic use, the digital passport could eventually be used for international travel, depending on international agreements. This initiative aims to integrate various government credentials into a convenient digital hub for users. 3. EU Entry-Exit System (ES). The European Union plans to implement the Entry-Exit System (ES), requiring non-EU travelers, including Brits, to provide biometric data such as fingerprints and facial scans upon entry and exit. This system replaces traditional passport stamping and aims to strengthen border security. However, concerns have been raised about potential travel delays, with estimates suggesting queues of up to 14 hours at ferry ports like Dover due to space constraints for processing. The EAS is expected to be operational by November 2024, but some European countries have indicated readiness issues, which might delay its implementation. 4. EU Travel Information and Authorization System (ETIAS). In addition to the EAS, the EU will introduce the European Travel Information and Authorization System (ETIAS) in 2025. This system requires Brits and travelers from other visa-exempt countries to apply for a €7.6 visa waiver, valid for 3 years or until the passport expires. Travelers are advised to be cautious of fake ETIAS websites and ensure they apply through official channels. 5. Changes to UK airport security procedures. By June 2024, UK airports are expected to upgrade security scanners, allowing passengers to carry up to 2 liters of liquid in their hand luggage, an increase from the previous 100 milliliters limit. Some airports have already implemented this technology, expediting security checks. However, travelers should verify the specific rules at their departure and arrival airports, as procedures may vary.